Malik National High School 2011-2012.
Graduates of the Malik National High School 2011-2012.
Do hereby solemnly pledge.
Do hereby solemnly pledge.
To uphold the ideals.
Uphold the ideals.
And good name of our alma mater.
And good name of our alma mater.
To become self-reliant. Disciplined. And useful citizen of our community. And of the nation. To pursue our education. In order to improve the quality of life. Through hard work and honesty. To be faithful to our parents. Teachers. And to serve other people. Above all. God Almighty. To defend our country, the Philippines. From oppressors. In order to live. Under a government of freedom and democracy. So help me God.